Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start next lesson, major international dates. Now let us start question answer session. Some days of the year have special importance for us. 10 days are mentioned below. Write how they are celebrated with the help of the clues provided to you. Now let us start. First one, 8th March. To promote women's welfare. Answer is International Women's Day. It is celebrated on the 8th of March every year around the world. It is a focal point in the movement for women's rights. Next one, 15th March. To focus attention on the problems of the handicapped. Answer is World Disabled Day. World Disabled Day is celebrated on 15th March. World Disabled Day is not concerned exclusively with either mental or physical disabilities, but rather encompasses all known disabilities from autism to Down syndrome to multiple sclerosis. Next, 7th April. To promote awareness towards health. Answer is World Health Day. It is a global health awareness day celebrated every year on 7th April under the sponsorship of the World Health Organization as well as other related organizations. In 1948, the WHO held the first World Assembly. In 1948, the WHO held the first World Health Assembly. The assembly decided to celebrate 7th April of each year with effect from 1950 as the World Health Day. Next, 1st May. To draw attention to workers' problems and the need of promoting their welfare. Answer is Workers' Day. International Workers' Day, also known as Labor Day in some countries and often referred to as May Day. It is a celebration of labors and the working classes that is promoted by international labor movement and occurs every year on May Day. Next, 31st May. To focus attention on the ill effects of smoking. Answer is Anti-Tobacco Day. This yearly celebration informs the public on the dangers of using tobacco, emphasizes on the health and other risks associated with tobacco use, and advocating for effective policies to reduce tobacco consumption. Several campaigns, events, and activities are organized on this day to educate people about the bad effects of tobacco on health. Next, 6th June. Next, 5th June. The need of preserving our environment. Answer is World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of our environment. This day is observed to create global awareness about environmental problems world or a specific country is facing. Next, 8th September. The need of making people literate. Answer is World Literacy Day. International Literacy Day is an international observance celebrated each year on 8th September. that was declared by UNESCO on 26 October 1966 at the 14th session of UNESCO General Conference. It was celebrated for the first time in 1967. Its aim is to highlight the importance of literacy to individuals, communities, and societies. Next day, 16th September, to commemorate the signing of the Montreal Protocol. Answer is World Ozone Day. September 16 was designated by the United Nations General Assembly as the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. This designation had been made on December 19, 2000 in commemoration of the date in 1987 on which nations signed the Montreal Protocol on substances that deplete the ozone layer. Next, 27 September, to raise awareness on the role of tourism within the international community and to demonstrate how it affects social, cultural, political, and economic values worldwide. Answer is World Tourism Day. Since 1980, the United Nations World Tourism Organization has celebrated World Tourism Day as international observance on September 27. This date was chosen as on that day in 1970. The statutes of the United Nations World Tourism Organization were adopted. The adoption of these statutes is considered a milestone in global tourism. Next, 24th October, dedicated to an organization committed to world peace. Answer is United Nations Day. The United Nations officially came into existence on 24th October 1945. In 1947, the United Nations General Assembly declared 24 October the anniversary of the character of United Nations, as which shall be devoted to making known to the people of the world the aims and achievements of the United Nations and to gaining their support for its work. Fun fact: International Day celebrations are declared by the specialized agency of the United Nations such as UNESCO, UNICEF, FAO, etc. when they concern issues that fall within the scope of their competencies. Some of them may be later adopted by the General Assembly. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.